In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use checklists in Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you need to log into Trello. Head over to Trello.com, and once you're logged into your account, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. From there, look for the Create button. Go ahead and click on that. After you click Create, you'll see an option to create board. This is your first step in organizing your tasks. Give your new board a descriptive title. Think about what project or task you want to manage, something that clearly indicates what's on the agenda. Once you've named your board, you can choose a background that fits your taste or theme for the project. Finally, set the visibility of your board. You can choose from private, workspace, or public, depending on who you want to be able to see your board. Once your board is set up, it's time to organize your workflow with lists and cards. Lists are a fantastic way to illustrate different stages of your project. For example, you might have lists labeled To Do, In Progress, and Done. This structure helps you visualize the flow of your tasks. Now, within those lists, you can start adding cards. Each card represents an individual task or an essential piece of a larger project. So add cards that cover everything you need to accomplish. Now, let's dive into adding a checklist to one of your cards. Click on a specific card to open its detailed view. On the right side of the card, you'll see a menu. Here, look for the Checklist button. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to name your checklist. Choose a name that clearly reflects what subtasks will be included. For instance, if you're working on creating a presentation, you might label it Drafting Steps or Review Requirements. Once you've named your checklist, it's time to populate it with items. You'll see an option that says Add an Item. Click on that and start listing your specific subtasks. These could be things like create the title slide or draft the introduction. As you tackle each of these tasks, simply check the box next to the item once it's completed. It's satisfying to see those boxes get marked off. As you continue working on your tasks, Trello offers a handy progress bar. This feature is fantastic because it visually represents how close the overall card is to completion based on the checked items in your checklist. It serves as a tangible reminder of your progress, which can be highly motivating. Remember, using checklists is not just about keeping track of tasks. It's about simplifying complex projects into manageable steps. This way, you're not feeling overwhelmed by everything at once. Instead, you're focusing on one small task at a time. And that wraps up our overview of how to use checklists in Trello. I hope you found this information helpful for managing your tasks and enhancing your productivity. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to subscribe and like it for more content like this. Happy organizing, and I'll see you in the next video.